If you want to create or design and launch a website without hassle, then this video is for you. I will show you how to get Framer Pro for free 1 month using the official offer. It help you to build better site faster. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video. Here you can see I had created one account. This plan is charged on 7 March 2026.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
So first of all, you will need to go to this website framer.com. Here you can see build better sites faster. Just click on this start for free. Click on continue with Google, or you can use another email also. Simply select one Gmail account if you had logged in multiple Gmail account. After that, type your name, simply fill this form. You can select according to you. For this video I am selecting random things. You can download Framer app or you can use it in a browser. Continue in a browser. It takes a few moments to load the full website. Simply close this. We need to upgrade our account. So for that, simply again go to framer.com. After the sign up, click on setting, then here you can see plan. Click on this upgrade button. Now let me zoom first. Just turn off this annual button. Select this pro plan. Click on this subscribe button. Then add promotional code. I'll give this code in this video description also, or you can simply watch promo code in video. After paste promo code, click on this apply button. Here you can see today due today, total dues $0. Simply click on this card, then type here your card. If you don't have card, then you can contact me on Instagram. I will try to help you. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐿 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.